Today, in this video, I will tell you guys about top 3 Fiverr gig ideas for graphic designers, if you are a beginner or intermediate. For these ideas, you don't have to be more creative, it's really simple and highly demanding niches. You guys can easily earn a healthy amount of income from these ideas. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Before we start the video, I want you guys to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So, the first one is invitation design. There is only about 5,700 gigs, and people have got orders more than 1K, so there is a lot amount of orders with low competition. You guys don't have to be much creative to work on this gig. For example, if I show you one gig, this seller had completed 26 orders with a rating of 5 stars, and if you see the work, it's really simple. So, what are you waiting for, guys? Just create a gig and start doing work. The next one is menu design. There are also about 5,000 gigs, and people have got many orders. As you can see how much orders people have got, and this is much more simpler than the previous one. If I show you the work of one seller, this seller had done 40 orders, 2 orders in queue, and if you see the work, it's just simple. There is no need to be much creative. Remember, if you guys had any questions, ask me in the comment box. I will definitely answer you. Let's move on to the next one, which is my favorite, and I also created a gig on this. That is YouTube thumbnails. This idea had a little competition, but there is an enormous amount of orders on this gig. As you can see, many sellers had completed 1K plus orders, and if I go to a different page, also here sellers have got orders. There is another way to get orders on this gig. If I go to YouTube to find direct clients, I will go to the channel and in the About section see email. You will directly email the channel creator, and if he or she likes your work, they will hire you. So, these are the ideas which I think if you are a graphic designer as a beginner or intermediate, you can easily do this. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video.